He's checking in his mirrors for me. Is he coming? Where the heck has he got to? Difference is this time, guys, all the electrics on the bike are working. Oh, that's a bit fast. He's in the weeds! There's a problem with running slicks on the dirt. You actually really don't have that much grip. I should be catching Shay. Well, that's 93. Woo! That's pretty fast. Nothing silly now, come on, let's get home. By home I mean tarmac, obviously. Oh, there's a car there. I think Shay is there. Boys are back in town. Bump. Boys are back. Where's Shay gone? There he is. I see him moving. Good little bike, this. Yeah, all good. Highlands? Pardon? Highlands?
Yeah.
You lead because you know where it is. Back on the main road. How good? How good?